To make it simple, there are two main types of lighting styles: hard light and soft light. What's great about both of these styles is they are easy to produce. You can make soft light and hard light with the things you have home. Hard lights produces hard shadows and contrast. If you want to make someone look tough, cool, or dangerous, hard light is the way to go. Here are some examples on how to produce hard lights. The sun. Pointing work light directly. Flashlight. When you're using hard light, I recommend you lighting from the side or from the back. Of course, there are exceptions to the rule, so do feel free to be creative. Soft lights produces soft shadow and little contrast. Instead of rough and tough, it's more of a beauty type of light. Soft light spreads out and makes it easier to film with. As you don't need the subject to stay in certain areas, soft lights are easy to produce if you just know how. You can take a normal hard light and easily create soft lights. Here are some examples on soft light. Overcast. Taking a hard light and bouncing it from a big white reflective surface. It can be a wall, it can be a reflector. You can also shine through some sort of a diffusion. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.